Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, October 21st, in Module 5 of Unit 2. Today is Wednesday, so it is an async day. That means we will not meet together as a class on Zoom. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch the video. Then you'll click Async. You have 2 activities to do in async for today. The first activity is in your Future Advanced textbook. You will complete pages 30 and 31, parts 2A and B on page 30, and part 3A on page 31. Okay? Please make sure that you take a picture and you post it in the comment section. It is also important that you use a pen or a pencil and it's dark so I can read. All right. And the audio is here below for you. The next activity is in MEL, My English Lab. So you are going to follow the directions. You're going to complete an activity about reading about telecommunication. Okay. So you will read this. Okay, you will go through it, and this is the assignment that is ready for you. It's called telecommuting. And that's it for your async work. But there are some activities that you can take part of. In the morning, if you are available, there is a panel discussion about voting, okay? Deciding on a candidate. Where can you vote? How can you vote? So it's um, today at 10 a.m. Then in the evening, there is a panel with CR alumni and staff about colorism in Latin America. Okay, so they'll be discussing the way of life for people of different colors in Latin America. This will be very informative, so you really should join. And it is at 6:30, and here's the link and the code. Also, as you know, every Wednesday I am available from 7 to 8 for any help on Zoom. If you need help with assignments, practice speaking, answer questions, give extra help, I am here and available for you from 7 to 8. That's it. Good luck.